Hey guys, it's Brian and welcome back to another Firebird Friday. This one we're not going to be doing much new stuff. There's a lot going on with the Firebird and front suspension. I've just been busy with daily life, and now that it's Christmas time in a couple days, or tomorrow actually. My birthday was a couple days ago on the 22nd, so lots of busy stuff going on, not a lot of time in the garage. It's raining in Phoenix, Arizona. Never rains in Phoenix, but it is, so it's a little chilly, and so I got the sweatshirt on. But today, on this episode of Firebird Friday, everyone's been asking me about the shopping cart engine stand. This was just when I went to pick this motor up, it had been sitting in this guy's backyard for, he said, about 5 to 6 years, if I remember correctly, on a shopping cart that he just cut up to put the whole transmission of this Pontiac 350 out of a 77 Pontiac onto. And if you want to watch the whole video, I'll link it up over here. It's kind of long, but we pulled out probably 4 quarts of water and was able to get this thing running. And I just wanted to take today, say Merry Christmas everyone, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Festivus for all the rest of us, or whatever that is from Seinfeld, and just do a short video on getting this Chevy, or this Pontiac 350 back running for the first time in probably 6 years, and being out in the weather and having water inside of it. We got it running on the shopping cart, and it's funny. It's cool to see. It's kind of cool. So without that, Merry Christmas, y'all, and we'll see you probably in a couple weeks. Finish up this. We'll have tons of videos on that, and a new daily driver to the video. Unfortunately, Acura is no longer, and with a replacement. And I think I may have bought another Pontiac. I'm gonna find out. So let's go to the video. Fill these bowls up a little. We'll drip a little in here. Okay, Miss Sierra.
What is that?
Gas. What's that?
There's your connection that you're smoking.
Where at? Which one?
All the way that's touching.
This one?
This one.
Oh, that one. Okay, that's fine. All right.
What the hell is that thing? I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
Well, it starts and runs. Should we do it again?
It's definitely got some issues, like not bad issues, but.
Give it a little juice. So you're gonna move, honeys? Gonna move? Okay, 1, 2, 3.